Kraaitjie, kyk vir my, waai. Right, that's how we start the morning. Kraai is gonna take the motorcycle. And this is where we are parked. And here's the most important. Ready for the long road. There's my 360-degree camera, my phone, and my remote for the camera on the Caravan.
Ja, dis 'n erfhuis wat my man geërf het. Dit was van die eerste huise wat in Elim, in die Kerkstraat gekom. Die eerste huise sit eintlik bo op daai kant. Maar die enetjies plat geslaan, dit was net 'n 3-vertrek huis.
Labyrinth is a circular path leading the seeker into a central and back out into the world. It contains no end or wasted journey. We stopped here to see if we can help this friend of us here on the gravel road. Good morning. What's your name, sir?
Ja, net Papville.
Net de Papville.
Net Papville.
Who can I help? How can I help you? Here is a video.
Is 'n video.
Ja, ek maak 'n video van jou.
Ja, se probeer help net ET10. Sit hom aan aan.
Wat is jou naam?
Patrick.
Petri.
Ah.
Petrus of Petri?
Ja.
Petrus of Petri?
Patrick, nie Petros.
Patrick.
Ja.
Ah, okay.
Patrick van ODM.
Patrick from ODM.
Pointman.
Ah, Pointman. Now look at this gravel road. We've been on this gravel road now for 50 kilometers. Wow. Man, this is fun. This is fun. Let me turn around. We stopped here to see if we can help Patrick, but he told us he's all well and he's organized. And look at the gravel road there. Amazing, isn't it?
Thank you, ma.
Now, while I'm walking out here, we're stretching legs. Very good gravel road. I can maintain average speed of 80 kilometers an hour, 4th gear, 4x4. Tires is down to 2.2 bar again. The gravel road is nice and smooth. No loose ends, no sharp rocks. So another, I think it's 30 kilometers, then a turn off, and then we go for Malgas. I hope you enjoyed the previous video of Gansbaai, Elim. Beautiful, isn't it? Farming world this, huh? Farming country. Unfortunately, I'm too late to join in with the party of planting. I've been looking around, but let me show you some of this prepared is it land? Look here, huh? Look here. As far as you can see, look at that hills. This is getting planted, either corn or canola for canola oil. Amazing. Outside on that hills, all areas to be planted. And look on that side, every possible area has been used. And look at that hill on that side. Wow. Let me show you the effect of lower pressures. You can see that it's making a balloon, and that's helping with the suspension and the vibrations of the road. And look at this example on this tire. Any rock, you see the tire is giving way. So the tire is helping with the suspension and the support of the vehicle. Vibration is not carried on into the suspension, into the vehicle itself. Patrick, is jy okay? Kan ons maar ry?
Ja, maar ry binne.
Look at this beautiful farm. Many of these beautiful farms in this area, huh? And the name of this farm is Potterberg. And look at that road ahead of us. And look here on the right hand side, all the geese. Looks like geese farming, milk cow farming. Amazing. All the cows. Ostrich farming. There at the back is a lot of ostrich, and this is a female, the gray color. Quite a distance from us, but in this green pasture you can see all the ostrich here, huh? Yeah. On our left hand side there's ostrich. Here on the right hand side, here's a male. Look at this male. It's the one with the black feathers. This is young, all young ostrich. Even on the left hand side. Road maintenance actually is rebuilding this last 15 kilometer to Malgas. Right, the traffic light is green, so all systems go. This is a little shop here next to the road where we stopped. You see that? Very important. Choose who you mix with, and then dop shop. And there's my choice. And what is that? You American guys would know what is that. A jukebox. Now look at this sign. Please be patient with the bartender. Even a toilet seat can only serve one asshole at a time. This is sand. Sand from the river. It's the Breeder River trading post. Right, let's start with the wash basin here in the toilets. And here you have to stop. I do not know why. And this is the toilet. Outhouse. That's for me. Oh, listen, you Americans and Europeans and those guys in Saudi Arabia, this is not a wash basin. Do you see a tap? Do you see water supply? Now what does this mean? No marks allowed. Can you remember the COVID days? No masks, not allowed. Now, no masks, no masks is allowed. And this is the Breeder River trading post. Interesting, isn't it? Entering now Malgas. It's actually Malgas, M-A-L-A-G-A-S. And the surprise is waiting for you. Look at the video footage from the Caravan, from a bird's eye view, and there you can see the river in front of us. Look at this lamb pizza from Breda River Trading Post. It's so oily. Right, we've reached Malgas, and this is what I want to show you. This is the pond crossing, and there's the pond waiting for us. Let's go. And look at this beautiful area. Unbelievable. I told you, the farmers here is somebody that we can be proud of as a South African. And look at the blue crane birds. Look there. And the ostriches, but look at that blue crane. Beautiful, damn it. Ja, dit is hoekom ons na hierdie wêreld toe gekom het. Ons kuier hier by die boere. Kyk hoe mooi lyk dit hier. Kyk daai lande, magtig. Let's see, where's this blue crane? How many is there? There's two, isn't it?
Two that you can see there's smoke at the back.
Many of them there at the back. The blue crane birds. Amazing bird, amazing. The village of Witsand, White Sand here. This is our overnight stop. Maybe 2 nights. I think so. Well, let's call it to 4. And as you could see from the video material, Witsand or Witsand, beautiful village, beautiful. The Breer River is flowing into the Atlantic Ocean. No, that's the Indian Ocean already. Yeah, that's the Indian. In any case, we tried to find a caravan place or a caravan park. The only caravan park available is in town, and that's the Witsand Municipality Caravan Park. And there's no damn way I stay in that piece of shit. Witsand, really disappointed. Really. Bed and breakfast, lodges, galore, hundreds. But for us, campers, not again. Alright, we've left Witsand, 10 kilometers now on the way to Swellendam. We are heading for Umshanti. Umshanti is next to the Buffelsjachts Dam. Unfortunately, we were robbed in that caravan park in November 2020. It was a new park, and we found and they assured us that the park is now safe. Let's go and see. It is 4:30 in this afternoon, and with this beautiful nature here, the green and the mountain, and the Breer River is just here in front of us. We are now entering Swellendam. Basically, we came back 90 kilometers following asphalt roads after the major disappointment of this Witsand. Unbelievable. I'm really shocked and I'm pissed off. Sorry, my apologies. Right, we are back in Swellendam now. Our stopover for the night will be the Bontebok National Park. We've camped here in Swellendam some when was it? November 2020, and we got robbed that night. So not again in this area. Any case, it's not all negative. Here on the right hand side is the Infanta 4x4 caravan factory, where we want to stop tomorrow. Alright, let's head home for Bontebok. We phoned them and they are ready, they're waiting for us. It's 5 o'clock on this day. I do not. It's Wednesday. That I can remember because we bought a pizza, and Wednesdays is wacky pizza or wacky Wednesday for pizza, something like this. I'm not familiar with South African stuff. In any case, we're sitting here in the caravan. Look here, I'm busy with downloading.